fine, no, Omo. I'm a fine girl. Up go di fa in ako. Up go di how in ako. King kana ako. I'm a fine girl. Eh? Just look at. Look at. Eh? Ego vin. Ego Biko, please hype yourself. Oh. If you don't hype yourself, who will? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Thanks for tuning in again. And if you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome. My name is Mercy. I film about faith, beauty, lifestyle, food, and anything in between. Yes, I'm sure you're going to love it here. Please be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, all the good stuff. Turn on your notifications as well. Yes, so in today's video, guys, guess what time it is? You already know. It's vlog o'clock. I have a few errands to run today, and Lizelle actually requested one time that I do more vlogs, so I thought to bring you guys along with me. It's probably going to be a very short vlog. I also have an unboxing to do towards the end of the video. I haven't gotten the order yet. I ordered a ring light from Amazon. Actually, I ordered a couple of stuff. I'm going to be showing you guys what it is. And yes, without talking too much, let me go get ready, and I'll see you guys when we finally head out.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so I'm finally done. Getting ready, and I just realized that I've made a mistake, because how am I supposed to wear my face mask? Like, I should have thought this lipstick thing through before actually wearing it. I'm also confused about the first store that I need to go to, but let's just be going. Let's be going, okay? I used to vlog, eh? I don't know how you people do it. Sure.
Everything okay?
Yes, ma'am. Hey guys, so I'm finally back home. Oh my god, I'm so tired, guys. I am tired, like tired, all caps. Yes. What did I even? I'm so tired. I'm shot tired. So basically, what we did today was go grocery shopping, and I've actually put away all the stuffs that I got. Yeah, guys, what did I tell you about my mask and my lipstick? See, look at what the lipstick did to my face. Now I have chin stick, not lipstick anymore. Anyway, so what else do I have to say? So one thing for sure is I actually didn't accomplish what I intend to accomplish today, and we might try again tomorrow. I don't even know what I'm going to do now. Well, I know. I'm going to find something to eat. Yes. You guys know I'm always finding something to eat. If you watch my braiding video, I mentioned it like 2 or 3 times, I think. So yeah, I'm going to find something to eat, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Okay?
The next day.
Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe. And no guys, no. I'm not wearing any form of makeup today because your girl cannot be bothered. I refuse to be bothered, okay? So you guys know we didn't finish our workout about yesterday, which I am doing right now. I'm about to do right now. I'm going to Walmart to go get a few stuff, and that's it. So let's go. Hey guys, I'm back, and I just want to show you guys some of the stuff I got from Walmart. I'm sure you saw a few of it. I just wanted to show you guys, and then to also get a picture for the thumbnail. So I got this bed set, I got the pot, I also got this mat, I got this, I got this liner, I got butter, I got 3 of these. I got parchment paper for baking. So this one, I've actually never used a toner ever. I've never used a toner, but I want to try this and see if it works. And this one, this is actually funny. I watched Chantel's Get On Ready With Me, one of her old videos, and she used this to wipe off her makeup. So I said I'm going to buy it and try it. So that's all the stuff I got from Walmart today. I'm going to put all this stuff away, and you guys know what comes next. food. Guys, I don't even eat that much, okay? I don't eat that much. I just eat here and there. I'm going to show you guys, when I'm about to eat, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to eat. And I'll see you guys soon, okay?
2,000 years later.
I said I was going to show you guys what I'm having for dinner, right? It's already 6:55 p.m. And yes, this is going to be my dinner. It's actually a smoothie that I made. And I have banana, apple, kiwi, I have mango, I have carrot, I have Greek yogurt, and I have milk, all blended together. So this is what I'm having for dinner. Food. This is my food. Okay? Yeah. Yum.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, so it's time for unboxing. My ring light actually came in yesterday. I don't know why I didn't tell you guys. We're about to unbox this. Oh my god. That's it right there. So that's it. And this is the second stuff I had ordered. We're going to unbox it together. So guys, this is the ring light and I'm about to open it up and see. I like opening packages. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'm finding it hard to position this camera to a point where you guys can actually see what I'm doing. But hopefully this is working. So this is the ring light I got. I got the Neewer, I don't know if that's how it's pronounced. I got the Neewer ring light. I think it's the, yeah, it's the 18 inches, 42 centimeter, something ring light. I should have bought it. God help me. But that's that. Nothing more. I'm going to be opening this up and see what's in there. Comes with instructions, how to set it up. I think these are kind of the different, I think this is for the bright light. So it comes with this. I guess this goes around that. I don't know. I'm going to figure this out later. And it comes with a remote. Comes with, you know, where you hang your phone. Comes with extension cord and everything. This is probably the leg. So that's the leg. This. And what else is in there? And that. I think that's it. You guys already seen this. And that plastic stuff I showed you guys go around this, I think. I'm going to read the manual and actually see how it works because I've never had a ring light before. And yeah, that's it with the ring light. I actually can't wait to start using the ring light. Okay, guys, this next thing that I'm unboxing. Let me stop talking. Let me just open it up. Open it. That's the second thing I got from Amazon. Can you guys guess what this is? Can you guess? Have you guessed? Let's see if you guessed right. I'm not sure, but you guessed right. It's a yoga mat. If you guessed yoga mat, you got it. I know, it's so funny. Yoga mat. Oh my god, guys, I got a yoga mat because I need something to keep me motivated to continue my fit farm journey. Guys, I didn't know yoga mats were expensive. Chai! I saw one yoga mat for $150 something. I'm like, you people would not tell me that you started selling Aladdin's mats. Like, get fair, will I fly? Like, if I sit on this mat, will I fly? And there was another one I saw for $16. So when I wanted to buy it, they said the seller doesn't have it in stock anymore and they don't know if he's going to restock. I don't know. I saw this one for $32 and this was like the cheapest yoga mat. Maybe if I knew, I wouldn't be as surprised, because I'm just surprised. Like, I'm just glad I got this because I really need it. And I love the color. If you know, I love the color. So that is it about the unboxing. It doesn't look like it, but I'm really excited about the ring light, and I can't wait to put it together and actually put it to use. And guys, you people, let's talk. Guys, you people will not tell me. Well, maybe I know. Like, vlogging is so hard. I hope you guys enjoy. I know it's all over the place, but I hope you guys enjoy this vlog as much as I enjoyed filming it for you guys. But guys, vlogging is so hard. I couldn't even vlog in the stores. Like, vlogging was telling me to vlog it. That's how bad it was. People were just like, I try to talk and people would be like, is this one running mad? And it's 2020. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy the unboxing. Even though it doesn't seem like I feel enthusiastic. Even though it doesn't seem like I feel enthusiastic about it, I'm actually happy for this ring light. You guys can see how dark this video is right now. This will really go a long way. And my mat, my yoga mat. Yes, guys, so that is it about this vlog. And if you watched up to this point, you are the real MVP. The real MVP, okay? Yes. So thank you so much for watching. If you've not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, all the good stuff. Please don't forget to stay prayed up, stay safe, stay healthy. God bless you guys. God bless you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.